I hope we didn't bend anything.
Alright folks, welcome back to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is the Odyssey Life Test Track, and I'm glad you stopped by today. We have a lot of things going on, a lot of exciting things going on here at Odyssey Life. First thing, giveaways. Seems like we're turning into the home of giveaways because we have two going on right now. We have the small giveaway, which is the FL350 tune-up kit. It consists of a unifilter in a cage, new coil wire, NGK coil wire, an NGK spark plug, and a $15 gift certificate to AutoZone so you can get yourself some oil and whatnot and change the oil in your transmission. If you don't have an FL350, like I didn't do in the first giveaway, offer something for the guys that don't have an FL350. I'm going to include a $75 gift card to eBay so you can get the tune-up parts for whatever machine you have. Also, I have this Moose Racing air filter that I might throw in with the FL350 tune-up kit, just so you can have an extra element. So when the unifilter runs out, I got one of these for our machine, the Moose Racing air filter, because I didn't know that Joe at Odd ATV had the unifilters in stock. I didn't know. And the coil wire, the NGK coil wire and the NGK spark plug, as well as the unifilter, they come courtesy of Odd ATV. So yeah, speaking of our sponsor and the other exciting things going on, our proud sponsor is sponsoring an FL250 build followed by a giveaway. We're giving that FL250 away. We're gonna make it look super snazzy, make it go really nice and fast. Guys, I'm super excited about this, and I'm super excited to give it away. Right now, as the rules stand, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber of the continental US, and you're going to be responsible to come pick up the machine. So yeah, guys, super exciting giveaways going on. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit a like if you're excited about winning an FL350 tune-up kit, unifilter with a cage, coil wire, spark plug, $15 gift certificate for AutoZone to get yourself some oil for your machine. And if you don't have a machine, a $75 eBay gift card so you can get on there, get the parts to tune your machine up. And the FL250 giveaway, all sponsored by our proud sponsor, Odd ATV. Right here's the logo. Go ahead, check Odd ATV out. Get yourself some parts for your FL350 or 250. Like I always say, to keep your machine running. Yeah, we're out here at the Odyssey Life Test Track. We're gonna rip it around. My nephew was out here this weekend, got some trees cut, got some paths opened, but we must have got another storm because some other trees fell. But I did another walk around, moved some stuff, and I think I got us a track laid out. So yeah, we're gonna go on a ride. I'm gonna move the camera around so you guys can see it all. It's gonna be a fantastic Saturday. So Again, as I said, if you're excited, hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and let's get riding. Let me take this off so you guys can see this. We broke a rim, guys.
I hope we didn't bend anything.
Doesn't look like we did. All right. Well, we didn't get this far around, guys. All right, folks, guys. Well, the machine's definitely way more muddy than it was last time, and we ended in tragedy, guys. The perils of riding in the woods. I didn't see the log sticking off the tree buried in the grass, and when I came around before we got to the camera, we took out a rim. I don't know if it got the tire. No, the tire's all right, but the rim is trashed. So we're gonna leave here. We're gonna go to the car wash, hose this bad boy off, get her clean, take her back to the garage, and order us a new rim, get the tire put on. We'll be back in the woods in 2 weeks, guys, because next week's gonna be an FL350 video. We're finally gonna tear into that bad boy, start ripping it apart, sending parts off to powder coat, see what we need. You know, just a typical build down, but with a little bit of love, you know what I mean? So guys, listen, if you're excited about the FL250 giveaway and the FL350 tune-up kit, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment. And I had a great time riding. I feel filthy as heck right now. I'm gonna get us loaded up, get us back to the garage, guys. Until next week, I'll be cleaning us up, getting us a rim, getting us back on the road. Ride safe, guys. See you soon.